My first problem started probably in the mid-1970s. I kind of wasn't brought up to say, okay, brush 3 times a day and that kind of thing. I started having a lot of pain. I ended up just trying to smooth over what was going on. My only goal was to make it to the next morning where I could see the dentist and they could stop the pain. Whether it be making fun of people from the mountains with no teeth or whatever, there's a certain stereotype that if you don't have your teeth looking good, you must have some issues about taking care of things.
Tim came in a much more dire situation. Both arches of teeth had completely failed. Several teeth had been missing for years. There was very minimal bone remaining for implants. With the accuracy of 3D planning and guided surgery, we were able to have the precision we needed to utilize the very minimal bone that we had in order to place dental implants immediately, rather than doing bone grafting and tissue grafting and coming back later. Tim's recovery has been outstanding. The very next day he was coming in, talking to everybody in the office about his career in the music industry and smiling and socializing with everybody.
It's been amazing since Dr. Daniel and them did the work. No pain, really. As soon as I started my procedure, I became very confident by the time I left that I would have teeth and nothing to be embarrassed about. The people here at Atlanta Dentures made me feel very comfortable, and Dr. Daniel made me feel very comfortable. And then it was almost like you were dealing with people that had known you for a long time and they wanted to make sure they took care of you. I wish I came to somebody like Atlanta Dentures 10, 15 years ago.